This is Passage, a game about the unrelenting movement of time in life. Passage is advertised on its own website as a quick game. The game only lasts for 5 minutes, which is roughly 300 seconds. And in the game, 3 seconds equals about 1 year in the main character's life. The main character lives for exactly 100 years. At the end, you turn into a headstone and the game ends. After 270 seconds, or 90 years in game time, you become less mobile and it becomes harder to progress. There's another character in the game just a few steps ahead of where you start. If you interact with the character, you'll fall in love. And now the character tags along for your adventure into the great unknown. Doing so comes with downsides. As you try to explore, you find that you cannot go into one unit wide spaces anymore, meaning you are limited on your options of movement and score gain. As such, this really becomes a question on what you want to focus on, whether that be accruing meaningless points that don't do anything other than satisfy your own selfish need to be better than yourself, or to make it as far as you can with someone you, the main character, seem to love. The game is 100 pixels by 16 pixels, meaning it appears thin and long, representing the view on life. The creator also has a different approach to showing stages. As you get older, more of the right side of the screen becomes visible, symbolizing certainty in your decisions. Near the middle, you can see a decent bit behind you and in front of you, showing memory and also the foreseeable future. Finally, near the end, you cannot see most of the beginning, showing loss of memory. The game is seemingly infinite in world size. There are chests around the map that have sequences of gems on them. The gems refer to the contents of the chests, so that in time you can avoid empty chests that waste your precious time in life. I would also like to point out there is no final score screen, meaning that if you spend the entire time finding points, or going as far as you can, or doing nothing, there's no reward or punishment for playing the game as you want. I personally think this set of rules or mechanics is fundamentally what life is about. Regardless of how hard you try, how far you go, or how many points you obtain, there is no achievement to be gained. I actually like this line from the game's creator, stating, "Yes, you could spend your 5 minutes trying to accumulate as many points as possible, but in the end, death is still coming for you."